Morning. How are you?
Doing pretty good. How are you?
I'm good. All right. Looks like we're approaching it right now. Good morning, barefoot running people. It's me, David Scoggins here. It's a great morning. Today we are out here at Sycamore Canyon. That's right, out here at Sycamore Canyon. We're gonna go out here, check out this hiking area. We're gonna give it a rating, intensity, view, the whole 9 yards. We're gonna see what's gonna happen. So come along with me, let's get going, and we're gonna get running out here at Sycamore Canyon. All right, everyone. Starting off, going on this trail. Start off at a slow, mellow pace here. A lot of up and downs already. I can see that I'm coming up on. Oh, yeah. All types of ways to go. Of course, you know me, I like to go down first. Oh man, a lot of ants. Don't know if I'm supposed to be going this way because it looks like it turns into nothing, so we're gonna have to turn around and go back. And it's steep over here. Thought it was a trail, but I gotta go back up because it was just a drop off. First trying this second way to go. It's all uphill. Oh boy. I feel every step of it. More ants. Lots of ups and downs over here. Oh, okay. As I said before, everything seems to be up and down here. Oh, up this cliff. Oh man, all up and down. Oh my goodness. I always keep stubbing my toe when I get out here. Look at that mountain formation. Oh, I gotta sprint up this little steep incline. Oh my God, that burns. Up and down. Hey. Got to remember to keep, when I'm not out here, to do that toe tapping on the curb. So when you get to little rocks like this, you tap on them like that. It won't hurt as bad. Yeah, I jam my toe up against something really good here. Oh. Looks like we're gonna be able to make it to the top here of that mountain that we saw. Straight up. Make sure don't bust my head open. All right, almost there. Hey, don't fall. Don't fall. Oh, little black ants. Yeah. Okay. Almost to the top. Oh, black ants down here. I don't know if you can see them. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. And we're there. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see that. Riverside, top of the mountain. Now I got to head down, which presents its own challenges. Oh boy. So far so good, not too bad. Whew, this is high up. So, I don't know if you remember me talking about that foot conditioning up And through here, we came down off that mountain, going through this little jagged area. It's very important that as you're running barefoot, you do that conditioning when you're in your controlled environment. You're toe tapping, as I was saying, running on those stones when you're at home. So when you run out here, you know, you never know what kind of little rock that you're going to run up on.
1.1 miles.
So these little rocks are popping up everywhere out through here. So when you do that in your controlled environment, when you're out here, it's all gravy. Except for these sticker bushes. I don't know what can help condition against that. A sticker bush is a sticker bush is a sticker bush. Down, baby, down, baby, baby, downhill. Please don't slip and fall. Hey. Good job. Hello, bicycle rider. What'd you say?
Is it hard barefoot?
You get used to it after a while.
Man, that's amazing.
Even with all those ants, you get used to it? Oh, man.
Yeah, 14 years.
Wow,
cool,
that's
man.
awesome. Keep it up.
Thanks.
What's up the barefoot?
Well,
So interesting.
because the connection with the ground, I don't know if you heard of the sun and the magnetism from the earth comes up to your feet. Rooting, I don't know if you've ever got a foot massage, and people,
Yeah.
it's just basically what you're doing.
Oh.
And you're activating all the nerve, all the organs and stuff, because as your foot is making contact with the ground, it's activating all those organs all throughout your body.
Gotcha.
Did you step on anything that's painful usually? Thorns or
Oh yeah, it happens, but before I come out here, I actually condition and practice out in the neighborhood before I come out here. So I do all the conditioning, like I step on little light rocks and I get my feet toughened, so when I come out here, it's easy.
Nice.
That's so
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Have a good one.
All right, you too. Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That is it for the run. Sycamore Canyon. 1 out of 10, 10 being great, 1 being horrible. I'm gonna give this a solid 6. Wasn't too hard, even going up to that hill. Wasn't too challenging. Light traffic. A couple of bicycle riders, that was what rated the craziest, but besides that, I'm gonna give it a 6. Nothing too crazy to really make true mention of. Just a lot of trails, you can get lost out there kind of easily if you kind of get turned around. But if you just kind of go in a certain direction, you'll make it your way back. Thanks so much for coming along with me out here at Sycamore Canyon. We'll see if we can find another trail to do a review on. Thanks so much for coming along, Face of Day family, barefoot running people. David Scoggins is out of here. You have a great barefoot running weekend.